Did you know that 2 out of 5 people lie about liking a gift? This is Boon Bliss. Your next gift for any occasion. For example, this, or this, or that. Whether your budget is this or this, you can now give a dream gift like this, or even that. Because you invite more friends to chip in. Him, and her. No matter if they are here, or there. The dream gift is fun to receive and stays there to remember. To spend anytime, anywhere, for anything. Even if you change your mind to this. Make your wish list and stay on top of your friends' gifts and dreams. This is Boon Bliss, your next gift that fulfills a dream.